Hi, today in front of me Realme C17 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. And this is the first way how you could create the new folder on your home screen. And also you could hold for a while home screen with your finger, select a couple of apps and just tap to create folder. So we got two different types, just two different ways how we could do that. If you want to give a name to the folder or rename it, just tap once on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, you should hold and drag it just by this way. Hold the folder and drag it to the another screen, for example. If you want to remove the application from the folder, you could hold it and tap to remove icon. You'll remove the application from the folder and from the home screen. Also, you could just hold it for a while and drag it to the home screen to stay it with this app on the home screen. And also, if you want, you could remove the folder, so this means that you'll stay with these apps here, but also you could hold it and tap to remove and you'll remove the folder and the applications inside of this folder. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.